DJ MTV.
Welcome to DJ MTV News Update for the week. I am Umaru Latifa. And if you're watching us for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJ MTV and also click on the notification bell for more superb videos.
The smallest village for Edo State called Iyabo. The village don't reach any quarter for Benin. When una support for his 8 years, now this governor, now he give him money when he take wrong government. He talk about himself, now they listen since. Now talk say that he want to choose for us who go be governor. For that reason, now we say we want to appeal to our fathers and mothers. Make una not let his strength down. That man, what he want to do? What he want to do for this state? That to destroy the state. No, they talk of good things. This governor, the money when that man, the debt went for ground before he come out, 136 billion naira. Debt when he owe, when this governor pay. The money when they get that time when he get power, this governor never get half of him. So that same man, say one oppressor because they talk. Because the government person when they get out, you know they talk, you know they praise himself. The man say he want to oppress him, say now he get power. He be God? No. I'm governor. He said, now governor say, una where sit down here? Rat go fit kill una cat? Not be cat, they kill rat. So now no the language I speak there. Anyway. Owe ibi towe wagya gbere o o feri sabagbo wa logbo o feri sabagbo wa logbo oriri na o feri sabagbo wa logbo o wadomo ni wa do ni se wadomo me ba se won na bi kan si wa de gbe go keke kakabo ya wa ti ma ti governor ima no do look to anywhere. Madam, Mr. Governor, sir. Baba ma o, àwa ẹgbẹ́ o, àwa ẹgbẹ́. PDP, PDP, Action speaks. Action speaks. I come here today. I call my house. I call my papa house. This house, now my papa house. Because nothing will happen for this quarter. For this Ward 7, now here it starts. Any decision, any matter, when we want to discuss for this whole area, now here it starts. Una dey here for how many years now? When I don't see which it don't happen for Ward 7. When I take una eye, see what we don't do with the roads. Yeah, people, please. When I see what we don't do with the roads. When I see what we don't do with school. When I see what we don't do with pensioners. When I see what they do with civil servants. We can go on and on and on. Democracy. We say government supposed to care for the people. Government not be for a few people. The quarrel when we get me and the former governor, we say the way they do in government, I say it's not good. It's different. We need to give more to our people, especially now when we don't have enough money. But for him, he said, no,
You get some people when you believe, maybe because you don't grow for Benin, you don't grow for Edo State. If you say that some people get power, you don't know say power now from Una. You are the people who have real power. In believe, the first quarrel, now all those boys, when they come worry Una for this new Benin market and all the markets around here. You say those boys now be the infantry. You say that them now they make us win election. I say now lie you talk. If anything, these people when you put for streets, then people don't like them. You cannot have a state where the people will go meet individuals, go markets, ask them, make them, they will start to collect money from people when not do anything. You say because to build your house, is there still CDA? That 60 days you apply for your CFO. 60 days, I guarantee you. You no go pay past 70,000 naira. Within 60 days, you get your CFO. Before, when I became governor, since they created Edo State, so when I became governor, only 2,000 CFO they signed. Since last year, June, I have signed 8,000 in 1 year. So you buy land, I give you the title. Nobody will disturb you, say that you disturb you get. You want to give your pikin, you could just go sign, give them. Not be so development they take come. What about work? Every day, when I say this to you Benin market, when I see the people when they bring food from village. Now, we don't go meet them from village. They give them fertilizer. They give them money so that they can produce more food for us. So that we notice for this market, that's what people they come from everywhere to come and buy here. Do we not need to expand food production? So many things we need to do, and only a good government that can do it. I don't do 4 years. I know the problem of the people. I know we have problem with electricity. Nobody when I dey here when I drive one woman come up from my office. Yeah. Why I vex? Because even government house not get light. I say if governor not get light, they won't come get light for you though. Those sort of people, now they put money for the other side. They say if Obaseki become governor, we are finished. I say yes, you'll be finished if you don't give us light. So this election is a very straightforward one. Do we want to go forward or do we want to go backward? Do we want to go forward or backward? So if Edo must move forward, the decision is simple.
Yes, sir.
On Saturday, everybody must come out. Everybody must come out. Because we want to show them that this democracy, now we get up.
Yes, sir.
That Edo, na Edo. Edo no be like another place.
Edo no be Lagos. Edo no be Lagos.
If they feed one for another place, they don't feed one here. I say for here we dey vote, and we will make sure that our vote counts. You know, how can somebody work for 35 years, he retire, and you not go pay him?
Amen. Sound.
And you know why this is wicked? The first time I met Oshomole was in a committee set up by Obasanjo to reform the pension system in Nigeria.
Okay.
He was representing labor, I was representing private sector. That is how we sat down to decide on the new pension arrangement, the contributory pension scheme, now PFA. When we finished that assignment, we went around this country to see the plight of pensioners. This was in about more than 10 years ago. That is the first time I met him. So how can you be governor? You spend how many years? Yes, the people before us did not pay, but you are there now. Why not pay these people? Because if you don't pay these old people who have worked, they say may the labors of our heroes past never be in vain. The people who are weak, they have no more chance to go and work again. The one when they don't work, you refuse to give them. Why? And how much is this money? If you look at the money, the amount they used to do party and drink champagne, it's more than enough to pay them. That is the quarrel. Take care of the people who voted for you. The people who voted for you are majority of the people, not a few individuals. So now on September 19th, I know we will win. But I want us, by the grace of God, I know we will win. I want us to tell them that this is landslide.
Yes, sir.
So we will so defeat them, they will not be able to stand up in the world. That is what I want them to know. And so that in future, if you are going to come into politics, if you say you want to come and serve, then people must see what you have done for them. Government is not a bank where everybody who goes into politics believes that I'm in politics so that I become rich from government. Because that money you are making is the money that we should have used to do school, to do healthcare, to do roads, to do markets. So, by the grace of God, God will hear our prayers. We can never go back. This is our opportunity for our children. In this Edo, in this Benin city, within 4 years, we have put more than 400 kilometers of fiber optic around Benin city. I am fighting tooth and nail. We did Azura. We could not get the power from Azura. I'm now doing Osiomo to bring the power here. In another 1 year, you will see from Ring Road to Mission Road to Aduawawa. We will light it up, and the light every night it must be lit up. Between Sapele Road, second, New Benin, Ugbowo, we must light it up. As we speak now, I have finalized the contract for 70 kilometers of street lights in Benin. With cameras, so that we can do security. With those cameras, we can see anything that's happening in the city. So, for me, this is what our politics is about. Let them tell you what they did before.
Nothing.
And what they can do in the future. So, by the grace of God, I will come back here. I will tell my father to gather all of you. We will come and have another meeting when we have won. I will come back for town hall so that you can tell me what other things we need to do.
No,
channel at DJMTV. And also do not forget to click on the notification bell for more superb videos. I am Umaru Latifa.
DJMTV.